In my last video on the subject of pancritical rationalism, I got pretty meta. Well, the human ability for self-reflection is one thing that makes us truly human. This ability to think about our thoughts is called metacognition. The prefix meta is from the Greek and conveys the idea of something that is on top of or transcends something else. Here are a few examples. The files on your computer are data, but their file names, their creation dates, and what folder they're contained in are all metadata, data about data. Meta-humor, which are jokes about jokes or jokes that reference themselves, might include a sign instructing people not to use thumbtacks, itself put up with thumbtacks, or a piece of graffiti apologizing for its own existence. One of my favorite self-referential jokes is, "This sentence has cabbage 6 words." Have you ever gotten into an argument with a loved one and found yourself discussing the tone of voice someone used and how the other person felt about it, or where someone ends up saying, "This conversation isn't going anywhere"? That's a meta-conversation, a conversation about conversation. M.C. Escher's work, Art Gallery, is one of the finest examples of meta-art, art about art, that I've seen. It depicts a young man standing in an art gallery displaying many of M.C. Escher's own works. The print he's looking at unfolds out of its corner to reveal an aerial view of the entire city, with the nearest building being the rooftop of the building in which the man stands. When you're watching a movie like Deadpool and he breaks the fourth wall by talking to you in the audience, that's one form of meta-theater. Another of my favorite examples would be Charlie Kaufman's movie Adaptation, in which the writer, Charlie Kaufman, played by Nicolas Cage, struggles to write a movie adaptation of an impossible-to-adapt work of nonfiction and ends up writing a thriller instead, at which point the movie itself morphs into a thriller. Well, I'm going to finish this brief self-reflexive reflection with a poem I wrote back in 2005. It's just called Meta. Do you love your ability to love? Do you tolerate tolerance? Do you hate hate? Do you think about your thoughts? Are you awake to being awake right now? Are you aware of your awareness? Are you in the habit of making good habits? Are you living your life? When you walk, do you direct your steps? When you listen, do you let the speaker in? When you talk, do you know who is speaking? When you experience this poem, what do you feel? Do you love your ability to love your ability to love?